Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're gonna make a delicious blood orange margarita. Let's get to it. Okay, so to start making this recipe, the first thing you wanna do is I'd like to use a Boston shaker, which is the glass and metal shaker for cocktails. So take the mixing part, the glass part of the Boston shaker and fill it 1/3 full with crushed ice. Now we're gonna start adding our ingredients. Go ahead and add in the freshly squeezed blood orange juice. We're gonna add in some agave, and now add in the lime juice. Add in the tequila, and now cover with the metal part of the shaker, and we're gonna shake the cocktail for about 10 seconds. How great does that look? Go ahead and just strain it into a glass filled with ice, and then garnish it off with a slice of blood orange. Cheers. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Something that you wanna see, drop a comment below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos all the time, so please subscribe. See you guys next time.